What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another video. So this one is Mr. Ibu before and after the sickness. You know, he was sick, and this is how he looks now. Like, the guy has really changed a lot, and he's looking very young and more healthier than he was before. After the sickness, he even took himself for, you know, cleaning of teeth. According to him, he said after a lot of drugs, so many drugs and all of that, he needed to clean his teeth back. Enjoy the highlight here. Don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment in the comment section.
General cleaning.
You want to come out the teeth?
No, clean. No, one clean the teeth. It's called
You're not going to pain.
Yeah, no pain. All these black things you see.
Don't go ahead.
Your teeth is clean and white. So I will advise you every 6 months try and begin your scaling and polishing. It's a preventive measure for you to maintain good oral hygiene.
Hey!
Yes, so that
No wonder see this guy is white, everywhere white. I said, you don't know, we're running rough. We're running, maybe we're not girl.
Then for English video TikTok.
I didn't know this book, I want to run.
You got younger, you can't look younger like 15 years. You know what? Look the camera now. That's how young. You know young for you.
I'm looking fresh now.
Fresh, good, yeah. Young, no.
Okay, no one look young.
Are they Chris?
Sure. You want to look old, daddy?
I go, father.
Father.